Welcome back to another video on the Bat Bike. Today we're going to make new kickstand, then work on the frame a little bit. I'm not really sure. I'm pretty sure we're going to replace the brake calipers and then get the headlights and soon be taillight all wired in, also with the horn. Still need to order switches and all that kind of stuff. Otherwise, this thing is close to being done. We just need to get side plates on it, otherwise it rides around. The old kickstand, this thing's practically junk. I mean, it can't hold it up, and it's basically bending it now, so goodbye. Plan for the mechanism is that you're obviously going to have it mounted like this on the bike. It'll be, swing arm will be resting around right there. It'll fold out and be somewhere around right there. So basically have that arm and then have a little tab mounted right here, and it'll be bent just a tiny bit so it'll be able to have a little bit of an angle for it. And then and it'll also be the width of all three plates, so it'll blend in pretty good. Magic. Sort of got carried away with making the kickstand. It's going to be mounted on the bike like that, so let's get her welded on there. It's just all tacked together with a stick welder, and I'm going to go to my friend's house and make it up so it looks cleaner and a little stronger. So for the seat mount, this is what I got so far. It's a big piece. Just pops right in. Turn that shoes off, you can not really see anything out, so let's turn the screen on. So there's a screen, voltage meter, you got the high beams on so you can see way out in the trees over there, and then close beams, whatever those are called. You got the left turn signal, right turn signal, hazard lights, nothing, and then the brake lights. Everything's basically wired up. Oh, this thing does say the voltage of the battery I have for the lights and stuff. I do not have the buck converter hooked up to the main battery. So that would be saying like 58.8 or whatever voltage I have on my battery. But since it's only hooked up to the extra battery I have on there for the lights, which is by way of like a 4S battery, it's only saying the voltage of it. That's pretty darn low. I probably need to charge that. I'm just amazed at these Chinese brakes on here. They're doing really, really good. All this thing's carrying a lot of weight, so it's struggling. be over here somewhere. It's right here. He's behind me. I think that's a cop back there. We're just gonna ignore that. Hopefully it isn't. Looks like we're good. Almost there, boys. Thing needs some suspension on it. Hey, dogs. Dude, I love the braking on this thing now. It's so much nicer. Doesn't do too well on loose gravel though, he's got to watch it. Already has the race quad pulled out. What's up, guys?
Put it on, can you put it on the wireless one? Which one's better?
Hi, dog. What? Which one?
I want to drive. Put it on one.
I never remember that thing looking that cool. Stay on the road just because it doesn't have any suspension and it'll come apart. Whew. Man, this is real rough right here. Put your goggles down then. There you go. That bike's a little slower than this. On that? Was that me? Really nice hideout. Deer.